Today, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your RX 580 graphics driver, or AMD graphics drivers in general, suddenly disappears or resets. This problem can happen when your computer experiences power-related issues, such as a power outage, an electrical short, a lightning strike, or other unexpected power interruptions. When that happens, some AMD graphics cards may automatically revert to an older driver version, which can cause a significant drop in gaming performance and FPS. If you run into this issue, the first thing you should do is search for AMD driver download on Google. This will take you to AMD's official website, where you can download drivers for virtually all AMD graphics cards. Once the download is complete, open the installer and start the installation process. Normally, you'll see an install button here. In my case, however, that option didn't appear because I'm using an OEM graphics card from one of those legendary Chinese hardware wizards. Because of that, I had to find and download the exact driver version designed specifically for my graphics card model. After downloading the correct driver, I ran the installer again. And this time, the software successfully detected my card. From there, all I had to do was click install and go make myself a nice cup of coffee while the driver was being installed. Once the installation is finished, make sure to restart your computer so Windows can properly apply the new driver. And that's it! You should now be able to open AMD Software again and enjoy your games with normal FPS and performance restored.